Yeah, good day, everyone. Thank you for new subscribers. Thank you for those who actually watched my previous video on how you can actually start the crypto journey and what is actually going on in the crypto space. Today, we'll be talking about the Mantle ecosystem. What is Mantle network or Mantle ecosystem or Mantle blockchain? Well, Mantle blockchain is a layer 2 solution built to scale the Ethereum network. Yeah. Its core vision is to enable mass adoption of decentralized and token governed technology through an ecosystem products. One impressive feature of the Mantle network is its architectural design. Mantle is a combination of optimistic rollup and data availability solution. So what are optimistic rollups? Why is it important for L2 blockchains and why do L2 blockchains try to use optimistic rollups? Okay, optimistic rollups are faster and more effective way of processing transactions on blockchain network by assuming everything is valid unless there's a problem instead of checking every individual transaction. So it's actually a fastest way to actually get transaction confirmed and safe on the blockchain. So what are the data availability? The Mantle uses. Okay, data availability is the assurance that blockchain data is available to all participants in the network at any given time. So you don't have to actually look for your transaction. Everything is actually recorded on the blockchain. Even if it takes a lot of time, years, everything is all recorded on the blockchain, on the Mantle blockchain. So you don't have anything to fear or anything. These are one of the, like I keep telling people, L2 is almost same thing as Ethereum blockchain. L2 tokens that are scaling, L2 projects that are scaling Ethereum on Ethereum chain, they have same feature as Ethereum chain. Ethereum is actually very secure, same thing as those L2s. They actually build on Ethereum to able to fast track transaction instead of actually gas fee, so much jam lock, waiting, high gas fee, like we have seen in previous times, like during the bull season or during the NFT season also. These L2s actually makes way for every very cheap and easy transactions. So you don't actually need to go to into using your Ethereum and paying high gas, and sometimes your transaction actually fail. That is why people actually prefer using L2 these things. People have been saying L2 is the future of crypto and the blockchain. Well, yeah, for me, I actually believe that because with so many things that's actually happening on the L2 blockchain, with so many volumes and so many easy, people prefer it because it's actually very cheap. Like on the Mantle blockchain now, getting transaction, making a transaction or all that are very cheap, very minimal, even less than maybe $1 or $2. So you see the reason why most projects are actually coming on the L2 blockchain to actually build. Mantle unique architecture is known as modular blockchain. The Mantle core chain operations, which include execution, consensus, settlement, and DA, are specialized layers compared to other chains that handles their operation on the same node level. The Mantle network is a potential solution to the infamous blockchain trilemma. Like we know the infamous blockchain trilemma: scalability, security, and decentralization. Yeah, this Mantle actually helps to solve those kind of problems very fast, very secure, and very decentralized. You don't have to fear that your coin or anything can actually be blocked or actually stopped on the chain, or nobody has access to your token or anything. It's all fully decentralized, and the gas fee on the Mantle blockchain is very cheap for transactions and all that. You can build whatever you want to build, the NFT tokens and whatsoever on the Mantle blockchain. We see so many projects coming into the Mantle blockchain to actually come and do their stuff because of how cheap and how secure the blockchain is. For the Mantle blockchain, the token for the ecosystem is MNT. That is a Mantle token. So the token is a governance and utility token for the Mantle ecosystem in general. So it confers others to the voting rights. It confers to the others voting rights and utility function within the network. Holders of MNT tokens can actively participate in DAO voting and help shape the future of the network. So the more MNT you hold, the more voting power you actually have to actually change some things you don't like, or any proposal that is actually brought forward to the Mantle ecosystem. So what do we have here? Okay, yeah, Mantle, MNT Mantle token also serves as gas fee on the Mantle network. It also serves as collateral asset for Mantle network node, rewarding participants and improving network security. Okay, so the MNT token, the Mantle token, will actually be used as gas, like I said earlier on, gas for the Mantle ecosystem. So every project actually coming to the Mantle blockchain to actually build. So you need Mantle, they need Mantle for the transaction, for gas fee payment and all that. So this is actually very bullish for MNT, considering what the blockchain is all about, the L2, what it's actually going to be doing, and the project that will actually be coming into the space and all that. Aligning with the core vision of the Mantle network, the BitDAO community also decided to convert all Bit token to MNT. Yeah, that was done around 17 when Mantle was actually launched, when it was actually listed and on Bit and other exchanges. So no more Bit token, now it's called Mantle token. So you see so much utility for the Mantle token. You know that Bybit is actually one of the biggest centralized exchanges after Binance. I think Bybit is number 2 in terms of volume and in terms of users. So now all Bit holders, which was formerly the token of Bybit exchange, now has been actually converted for one to Mantle MNT tokens. So currently it's actually trading at $0.46, and I actually encourage you. It's something like a financial advice. Everybody just get a bag, get a bag, get a bag. I mean, I have a very huge bag of MNT. I keep accumulating because I know what is actually coming to the ecosystem and how much the team is actually building on the ecosystem. So yeah, if you have Bit token and you have not in your decentralized wallet and you have not converted it to MNT yet, you have to just send it to your Bybit account and you get your MNT token very, very fast. The token economics of Mantle token, the total supply is 6,290,316,768 tokens. And circulating supply is 3.1 billion token. That is like 51% is already in circulation. Mantle treasury is around 3 billion tokens. You see, the Mantle distribution from the Mantle treasury covers user incentive, technology partner incentive, core contributor teams and advisories, and potential opportunity allocation. I think those ones are actually very locked, and they won't be released for a very long time except when actually needed. You can see the reasons for the Mantle treasury. So one of the benefits, some of the benefits of using Mantle network includes access to numerous exciting applications, access to developer-friendly tools. It offers lower transaction fee of over 80% compared to others. It offers scalability and high performance and security also. Cost-chain interoperability is secured by Ethereum. Like I said, all L2 uses its same Ethereum security. It offers an improved user experience. It is EVM compatible. Like I said before, Bybit is actually one of the biggest, like BitDAO. Okay, BitDAO owns Bybit, major shares in Bybit. They're actually the biggest contributors or partners of Mantle network or Mantle ecosystem. But some of the strategic partners, they include Pandolfi, Python Network, Egan Layer, CloudWeb, and others. Mantle Network also provides opportunity for the general public to join the network. We have the Mantle Eco Funds, Mantle has exclusively dedicated up to 200 million to early stage investment, pre-seed, seed, Series A project building on the network. So that is to tell that over 200 million dollars is actually available for actually helping projects that are actually building on the Mantle network, contributing to them through seed round, pre-seed, Series A investment, and all of that. The 100 million comes from the Mantle Treasury and 100 million for strategic partner in a one-to-one matching system. These eco fund incentives incentivize the DApp team and drives the adoption of the network. So this fund is actually available to actually incentivize the DApp developers, the teams, and also drive adoption of the network to actually bring more users and all that into the space. Mantle as a token, it actually has Mantle ecosystem also have the Mantle grant program. Mantle aim to support builders of decentralized program in its network by its grant program. So if you're a developer, if you're a builder, you can want to try and build on the Mantle. Just rest assured that you can have support from the Mantle team too. There are ways you can actually do that. You can actually submit your proposal and all that to the Mantle ecosystem team for them to actually review and see a way they can actually assist you. Yeah, guys, that is all about Mantle for now. As more projects come on Mantle, we'll be reviewing them. I'll be doing so much video reviews on projects coming on the Mantle. I would love to see so much gamified project, play to earn, coming to Mantle, NFTs, DeFi. I'm more of a DeFi person, so I'm actually following up some projects actually coming on Mantle. So you can actually store your Mantle token. Just import go to chain list and add Mantle mainnet to your MetaMask. You can store it there. It's same OSM numbers as your Ethereum. You can also buy Mantle in various exchanges, but specifically you can buy on Bybit. If you don't have a Bybit account, you can check under this description and use my account to actually sign up on Bybit, and you can buy your Mantle. I am not actually like I'm not hyping Mantle or something like I'm not doing. I'm telling you for a fact that this will actually go very, very well. You can see behind me, this is the chart of Mantle from 17th of July when it was actually listed. You can see the chart how it is. You can see they did Genesis and they did a public offering too. People actually bought at a very cheaper price at 0.1 for those that actually qualified. And you can see the chart. The chart is not looking bad. For something, it's still sitting around 5x from the Genesis offering and the public offering. Well, we are still in the bear market, but I expect this to actually go very, very much up. With more users and more projects actually coming on board into Mantle. People will need Mantle tokens to pay for gas fee. People will use it to pay for different things. So you see that there is need for it. There is demand for the token, and this is why I'm actually very, very hyper bullish on the Mantle network. That is why I keep accumulating as much Mantle as I can for the future. Thank you very much, and God bless you.